Here is a quick tip I wanted to throw out for anyone that has a wood finished stairway and not a stairway that would be covered in tile or carpeting, because I really don't think this idea is going to work for those stairs unless you remove the tile and the carpeting. And if you have to do that, then you could probably make further repairs to make sure that the wood is no longer moving that is causing the noise. Now, the first thing I want to point out is that the most common squeaks are going to be between wood and metal or wood and wood. So one of these squeaks would be when a stair step moves up and down and rubs up against the side of a nail. And if that's the case, and you can somehow put some graphite or some type of a powder lubricant, I really don't recommend using a liquid lubricant like grease. That could be even messier. Powdered lubricants can be messy, and I'm not about to suggest it's going to be the best thing you can use, but I am suggesting that it might be worth trying. And if you try it once or twice and you don't like it, then don't use it again. So nails that are attaching the treads to the stringers are the nails that I'm referring to. The second biggest problem is going to be between the stringers, where the back of the tread is rubbing up against the front of the riser as you put your foot on top of the tread, and the tread flexes just a little bit. It just moves a little bit up and down because the stringers are spaced too far apart from each other. Then you could simply sprinkle some graphite in this area. Now, you should be able to sprinkle the graphite into the gap between the tread and the riser, and then kind of work the graphite in with either a small brush or even by moving the tread with your foot, kind of applying some pressure to that area until the stair stops squeaking in that area. And the only reason why I made this video is just to provide people with another option. And if you are looking for more of a permanent fix, I will put a link in the video description box where you can find more videos on how to fix squeaking stairs. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos on YouTube. And if you can't find the videos on YouTube, make sure that you visit our website to find a complete organized list of all of the videos we've made so far.